Hi, I'm Brandon from Flooring Superstores, and today I'm here to talk to you about the importance of acclimatizing your flooring you just purchased and how to properly do it. You start by carrying your flooring to your house. Most manufacturers like to have it in there 48 hours prior to installation to allow it to properly acclimatize. We want to stack it like how you see here. So you're going to do a row one way and another row perpendicular to the previous row. This allows the temperature to reach the product evenly. If you stack in your house improperly, like you see over here, what will happen is the outside rows are going to get all the temperature and they're going to acclimatize most of the time properly, but in the middle they're not going to be reaching temperature in that 48 hours. So during installation you could have problems with it acclimatizing after it's installed. And one last thing when acclimatizing your flooring in your house, it's a good idea to cut the boxes open. Stacking them like this allows them to acclimatize for temperature, but now you're thinking about humidity. Since they're wrapped in plastic, you're not going to get any of the humidity that's in your house. Cutting the boxes open will allow the product to acclimatize to humidity along with temperature, which is what you want in your floor.